It's now confirmed that Kenshin Kamimura is the Japanese man arrested in Hong Kong. Kenshin, a member of the Japanese boy band One and Only, was arrested on suspicion of molesting a woman in Portland Street, Mong Kok. Kenshin was in Hong Kong for a fan meeting last Saturday, 1st of March. He was suspected of molesting a female translator at the celebratory banquet at a restaurant in Mong Kok later that night. At around 10 p.m., Kenshin and another staff member went to an upstairs restaurant on Portland Street in Mong Kok for a celebratory banquet, during which the incident occurred. The translator reported the case to the police the next day, 2nd of March, accompanied by a social worker, and the police also arrested Kenshin on the same day. According to the records, a 25-year-old Japanese man, Kenshin Kamimura, has been provisionally charged with the crime of indecent assault, and a case was brought to the West Kowloon Magistrate Court on Tuesday, 4th March morning. The case was adjourned to April 15th for further hearing. According to Section 122 of the Crimes Ordinance, Chapter 200 of the Laws of Hong Kong, indecent assault is a serious crime, and once convicted, the maximum penalty is 10 years imprisonment. While it's unlikely that Kenshin will receive the maximum penalty, this is definitely going to have a dent in his career. Earlier reports says it was a 27-year-old man, but it is the translator who is 27-year-old, and the Hong Kong media have since updated with reporting to 25 years old. Given a number of very high-profile sexual harassment cases in Japan at the moment, I can see why statists have zero tolerance over what happened, particularly because Kenshin is charged. And what do you think about this? Share them in the comments with me, and I'll make sure we'll update this. See ya!
Hi everyone, I'm Kenshin from One and Only.
日本人氣男子組合 One and Only 嘅成員上川謙信上個星期六嚟咗香港舉行粉絲見面會，但係之後就音訊全無。原來佢喺本港涉嫌一宗非禮案啊！消息就話，現年25歲嘅上川謙信上個星期六喺東涌舉行粉絲見面會，同行有一個女翻譯員，兩個人第一次見面，之前互不相識。到咗當晚嘅10點，上川同其他工作人員一齊去咗旺角砵蘭街一間樓上餐廳慶功宴，期間上川就懷疑非禮個女翻譯員啊！事主喺事發後嘅第2日由社工陪同之下報警。警方亦都喺同日拘捕咗上川。呢宗案件星期二已經喺西九龍裁判法院提堂，並且押後到4月15號再提訊。而 One and Only 嘅經理人公司星塵傳播星期二亦都發出聲明，話上川謙信因為確認有重大違反合約嘅行為，所以即日將佢退團同解約。Instagram 嘅帳號亦都已經刪除，而佢嘅 fans 級亦都顯示停止招收會員啊。
日本男子組合 One and Only 成員上川謙信近期因為 BL 劇集《未成年清雜的我們笨拙地進行中》而喺海外爆紅。佢嘅經理人公司星塵傳播星期二晚突然間發聲明，話上川謙信因為重大違反合約嘅行為，即日將佢退團同解約，連佢嘅 IG 帳號都已經被刪除。有消息就傳出，原因係上川謙信要逃離香港嘅時候涉嫌非禮一個香港女人。消息令到 fans 大為震驚，尤其係上川謙信同劇集另一個男主角本島純正，本來進行緊亞洲巡迴粉絲見面會，今個月1號嚟到香港，而香港警方就喺2號收到一個27歲女人報案，話喺旺角砵蘭街一間餐廳入面被非禮，警方同日喺尖沙咀拉咗嗰個27歲日籍男人。不過上川謙信過往公開年齡係25歲，令人半信半疑。直到星期二確定上川謙信被控一項非禮罪，案件已經喺西九龍裁判法院提堂，押後到4月15號再訊。上川謙信嘅巡迴見面會原定仲有泰國、大阪、東京3個站，目前未知有冇改動。經理人公司就話 One and Only 未來會以5人團體繼續活動，包括4月同5月舉辦嘅日本巡唱會，唔會退票。而上川謙信有份參 演嘅新戲就有機會如期上映。